To address the Electrolux washer error code Ef5, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The Ef5 error indicates an issue with the washer being unbalanced. Several factors can cause this problem, including an unbalanced load, the washer not being level, or a clogged drain filter. To resolve the issue, start by balancing the load in the drum, pause the wash cycle, open the washer door, and rearrange the clothes to achieve a better balance between light and heavy items. Ensuring the weight load is within the recommended limit. Restart the wash cycle to see if the error is resolved. If not, check that the washer is sitting on level ground and adjust its feet if necessary. Also, inspect the condition of the feet and replace them if damaged. Additionally, ensure there is enough space around the washer. Another possible solution is to unclog the drain filter, unplug the washer, remove the filter, and clean it with a soft brush to remove any debris. After reassembling the washer and plugging it back in, the issue should be resolved. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to seek guidance from a professional.